This is Travelers Beach Resort, owned by a black man. Travelers Beach Resort, owned by a black man who support black kids.
True.
You see me?
With
need program. My bridge in Wellington. And let me tell them, man, I like how them repaint it, make it lighter. The chair them beautiful. And them change the chair, them change the pole side.
Yeah.
It's a family affair. And when you come in in the evening, people just, at the Irish place on the world on the beach, just right there, son. And my home, this, you know, some want it to be your home. So when you see this on YouTube right now, you know it's a Travelers Beach Resort. I eat you must stay. Once you stay here, walk the 6 Mile Beach and go Margarita, Jungle, go to town. It's remodeled, lovely. So me say, so from my mind to yours, and this is so bless her, renew. When a man see you, everybody want a food. Them things say you have it, but if you're straight up with them, you have to just tell them as it is.
Yeah, man, for real.
No, I don't straight to go down enough. We can buy a chicken, we go curry it, burn the curry, and that's it. That's all I get.
For real.
We go sit down and drink a red stripe, and that's it. Don't ask me for nothing more. When you don't get nothing more, if you don't want to leave, leave. If you don't want to come around me, don't come around me. But stop the foolishness. Say, expect me. Come here, my problem. If you take on my problem, you're dead. You can't, yo. If even if they are cold, in a snow, my problem is take on, you know. You didn't snow and you want to go shovel some snow? No, really, no want to do that. You want to go find parking? You can't find parking. You don't want to do that. You want to go in a subway and sit there at them? No, you don't want to do that. You want to smell garbage when you pass through Brooklyn? No, you don't want to do that. You want to sit down and work for 16 hours and a move and get 30-minute break? No, you don't want to do that.
Them just want put on pretty clothes every day and go. Them just feel like say them are tourists. Some of them just feel like say them to live and not work. So them get up every day, them beg, them not work. So them are get up and I say, yeah, time hard because they not work. But them not save nothing to try to read somewhere.
Yeah.
You see me?
Jamaicans have a false perception of people in US. Them things say we have it.
Yeah.
At 2 weeks vacation we get to my land. Out of the whole year, sometimes 4 weeks, you know.
True, man.
And we can't take 3 now.
I know my brother that England and
yeah.
At 17 years, I'm going to see him.
17 years.
17 years, I'm
going
to see him.
stressed out.
And him come here last year, and him come for just about 3 months.
3 months.
Just 3 months, and him spend the time together. We go about and go beaches and have fun and things. I have to go back over, and when him go back over, I tell me say, yo, Kevin, right now, the amount of bills and things, I'm running back in, and just for 3 months, where him not did there. Because him have 3 kids.
Whoa.
Plus him having bills them or something.
Yes.
Because start out.
Yes.
That's when him go over, him have to start work hard.
Yes. So
to deal with them.
Yeah.
And just because him take a 3 month break, everything just come back down.
Mash up.
You see me?
You can't. Let me tell you something. When people don't understand what America, let me tell you something, Reggie. I'm not recording because I want them to hear me.
True.
I'm going to take my money and I'm going to build my place on the mountain. Now escape this. Everybody trapped in a slavery.
Yeah.
Opportunity is not slavery. You can't only take 2 weeks. That's a foolishness. We have to diversify our business and think differently.
True.
You see me? If anybody tell me, save up to get a minibus, nobody ever tell me that. And that's them supposed to tell me.
And depends on the work where you do too.
Yeah.
Yeah, depends on the work where you do. That's if you can save for buy a minibus.
Remember say no. Nobody
and
never.
Any work you can do right now for save to make one 500.
Yeah, what I say. When you reach America, you can get a roommate.
Yeah.
And in a 1 year, you can buy a minibus with a roommate.
Yeah.
But nobody ever tell me that. Nobody ever tell me say that is the formula.
Yeah.
This is the formula. There's a formula to success, and it's called minimization. Go America, keep a roommate, no buy no house of foreign, build your house at Jamaica and rent it out. Try to get a beachfront property.
Yeah.
And build something on it and rent it out.
Try to do something.
Try to get a minibus, rent it out. Don't try to stay there, son. Try to do something to come back. to sustain yourself.
You can't even rent it out, put it on the road as running taxi or have it at the tours. Like
Nobody
tour
never
guides.
tell me that. Nobody never tell me say, no, build a shop and open up a jerk center. Nobody never tell me say, everybody say go America, but they never show you the exit plan.
Yeah.
Everybody there stay. And then them build them house and I realize it's a trap.
True.
You see, so when I rewrite the formula, when I look on the life, that's here's a man who built this resort from a taxi service.
Yeah.
He may not run in Brooklyn, white top. And him taking money and him buy a lot.
Yeah.
18, 25 years ago him buy this lot.
Yeah.
Wellington. And him build one little shop on it, you know. One little villa. And him rent it out.
Yeah.
And as time goes on, him buy build another little villa. And him build another little villa. And him rent it out. Nobody never tell me this formula.
True.
But look at it now.
Isn't it?
Him son and daughters take it over.
True, man.
And for him entire generation now will have this physical property. And guess who?
This not stop go on, you know. This not stop go on.
This is the dream.
Yeah, nah,
this is the real thing. Look on it.
True, man.
And the real thing, this is my life. This is success. This is success. And him have the formula.
True.
Everybody they are foreign. We just build a house. This has sustained itself. All our picnic can come back at Jamaica and said, we're going to go run down the hotel.
True. True, man.
This is the dream. This is it. A Jamaican want it. So this man is an icon in our community.
This man can show you, yeah.
It's possible.
Every Jamaican can do something.
Can do this.
Yeah.
And the man want a taxi service, you know. Man on a PhD. The man have a master's degree. This is a real success.
True.
And him never have a whole lot of money. And him buy a piece of land and start smart. And look at it now.
Smart.
And you that thing say, I'm one of the sweetest places in Jamaica. And then he help out the community, which is what I respect. That's why I always spend my money here. But we as Jamaicans, when we go abroad, you know, we get food. Things that we get to the house, we have nothing. We don't have nothing abroad when we get to the house.
True. Nice place, man, right there.
Yeah, man. And then him hire people. Mr. Man, I sell them thing and I play them music.
Yeah.
And him hire more people. This is the dream. This is black owned, black enterprise, black productivity. I serve white people. And them appear. This is Marcus Garvey. You don't get better than this. I love it for that reason. You see me? I love it. I love it for that reason. That's why I come here all the time. Travelers Beach Resort. I'm going to promote it. I'm going to tell everybody it's a family thing. Spend your money here. Because I'm help out the picnic them. I'm help out the youth them. I've never seen such a success in my life. And I'm Jamaican. And I'm service the entire world. You see me?
International.
And the most beautiful beach too.
True.
And how
Right now, people from all different countries.
yeah.
Yeah. I'm coming from a year to meet people from different countries. You know? So long as we can talk to different races.
Yeah.
And that is a very good experience for me too.
Yeah. And you know what? When you look at the layout, when I call the color, them change the color and lighten it up and thing. It looks so elegant and it looks so. When people come with them family, them so happy.
Everybody happy.
Yeah. And it's not like a hotel, you know. A hotel is cold and this is warm.
Yeah.
You know what I say? It's warm. And the guards, them, everybody warm, and the people at the bar warm, and you know what I mean?
I'm just trying to say I do a job. You see, as I do a job, you're good. Just do your job.
Yeah.
But if you not do a job, I'm so scared.
I came here and I saw the karaoke and the people, and it is one of the most beautiful vibes I've ever received when you hear the singers.
Alright, and you see, him open the bar and the restaurant
to other people. Other places do that?
No. I only hotel up here somewhere where outsiders can go to a restaurant, them can come and use the beach, and them can come and use the bar.
Really?
Yeah.
So you can't do that if you're
if from the other hotel them if you're not booking, if you're not booking or you're a part of the hotel.
Really?
You can't go. You can't go use them beach. You can't go none of them bar and them somewhere.
Really?
Yeah.
You can't use them chair?
No, you can't go on it. Them have security on the beach. You can't come up on the sand. I next hotel them if you're not part, if you're not guest.
Them have a band or something?
Yeah, them have a band and something to the guests.
A band on their hands. And if you don't have it, you can't come on.
Some of them know the guests them. Some of them just, if you're a black man, you can't, them just feel like you're not a guest. You understand?
But this place...
When you're black, them just feel like you're not a guest, you can't come up there. But this place, nice man, this place. Like I love everybody to come use it.
Wow.
But, yeah.
Rum punch strong.
Yeah. I said me here a girl, I say yeah.
Yo, the rum punch. Yo, the rum punch, yes sir. The rum punch is no joke here, bro.
Yeah. So me see her,
it knocked me out. A 2 punch me drinking already. Me not smoking a virgin.
Yeah.
A 2 punch me drinking a virgin, and it just have me away.
Sure.
You see me? What time now?
8:37.